This is probably the most amazing event I've ever been a part of. It's amazing.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today is a special day here in Colorado because today a bunch of buddies and I are going to be tackling the 999, otherwise known as the Colorado Triathlon, where you ski 9 runs at a ski resort, golf 9 holes at a golf course, and then to cap it all off, we're going to be at a Rockies game enjoying 9 innings of baseball tonight. My buddy Joe Mooney is putting this on for everybody for today. He got us all a party bus, so we made our way over to Applewood Golf Course this morning at 6:15 a.m. to mount up, loaded up all of our gear, and then made our way up I-70. It is super early, but it's gonna be a long day. So let's start phase 1 of the 999. Let's go tackle these 9 runs.
Bring the band in. Woo. Well, all right. To fit in, but I can't. I'm too different with it, too advanced to think. You know my intuition. I got bars and ink, but never in a prison. Too far gone, never gonna sit and listen. This is optimism mixed with the best. You get it? What you're seeing is a beast in the flesh. I'm vetted up. I don't need to try to speak for the rest. Always keep it a prop. They wanna keep it a mess. You know, this is what you get when you're sitting as a vet. But everybody know that you're a threat. With the rest, let's go. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit.
All right, gang, this is Savannah and I in the group. Just got done finishing up with 7 runs. Means we only got 2 left up here at A-Basin, but we've honestly lucked out with just how beautiful the day's been for up here, and just this late in the season to be as good as pretty much has been up here today has been an absolute treat. Another thing I want to just mention too real quick is my buddy Mooney, who pretty much put this whole thing together for all of us. I mean, the guy's got a heart of gold and does so much for each and every single one of us. He's got a group of friends that are like 50 plus here, yet he knows each and every one of us so well, and he's just one of those guys that, you know, if you were stuck in the middle of the night in a snowstorm in a ditch somewhere, he would drive 100 miles just to pull you out. And I've told people that over and over again for so many years, but just an awesome guy. Great time to be out here with him. Wife and I are so happy to be a part of his life and for him to be a part of ours, but we're gonna get back on the slopes, enjoy these last 2 runs. Let's get after it.
I try to tell you we don't fit in your box. Why you try to bust me in? I got the key to unlock. I know the locksmith, optics, speak of the loss. I meet a lobster.
The ones he just
freaking a boss, you know. I'll never fit in where I go at. Boss talk like I'm Boaz. Why fit in when you know you can stand out still? They remember you more when you hand out deals. Let's go. We won't fit in your box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your, we won't fit in your, we won't fit in your box. No, we don't quit, we won't stop. No, ride us all to the top. We won't fit in your box. Don't box me in. I do my own thing. We won't fit in your box. No. Thank you, Ben, for coming out tonight. My name is Son of Augustine.
nice. All right, guys, just wrapping up here at A-Basin. Got our 9 laps in for part 1. Savannah and I actually did some extra credit, got 2 more laps in. For now, we're gonna jump back on the party bus, start a little bit of shenanigans, and make our way over to Applewood Golf Course.
Oh, no, random.
To the Applewood Golf Course here on the south side of I-70 and getting ready for part 2 of the 999. Up next, we're gonna be golfing 9 holes here. There's like 16 different golf carts of people here right now, so it's just absolutely chaotic. A little bit of cloud cover over the top of us right now, but all in all, we're having an awesome day. So let's tackle part 2 of the 999.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, daughter has gone on Yagi, her brain fried. My lady Papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly, why she waiting on me? Yogi my area, yogi my area. Keep on heading if you want, I drive it like you know. I don't wanna hear you, just dying to know like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though, 소식권을 믿고 I fly non-stop. Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on. Drive out and riding birds, honeyberry counting doves. I do what I wanna do, 그게 나의 무늬워. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말만 많지, just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I'm man flow. got 잡은 눈이 분위기는 chill. Fendi snakes on my belt, yeah I'm feeling first class. Yo, don't cash flow. Ooh, pop it on my glass. Ooh, pop that pass. Ooh, smoke that gas. Cash play, blackjack, monkeys on my pick. 100, 200, multiply. Dollar sounds my lullaby. Never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, 숙여 너의 고개를. What you looking at, fool? 너의 눈 허리 멍청했고. Find your comfort from another, yeah. I go low like undercover, yeah. Wanna know my name, 죽지 않은 일은 위에 부어버려 기름. Yes, you can even guess me, cause I'm baby. High low 확실해, not like maybe. Level 11, welcome to my palace. 찾지 않아 Alice, you just keep on wonder. You just keep on wonder. 찾지 않아 Alice, but 너의 memory. I just pop a pin. Danny how you been? 나는 걸어 Boeing 747. 날 get weak, get ready. Like I wanna get late. 준비해.
All right, gang, we're just finishing up at Applewood with the 9 holes of golf right now. Gonna go home quick, and then we're actually gonna meet back here in the parking lot to get back on this sweet bus once more to go downtown, hit 9 innings of baseball at a Rockies game. Let's wrap this night up.
I really like that.
On the kids, let's go.
Hey, what's up? How you guys doing?
This guy's ready. Let's go. All right, guys, so we just made it downtown. We're actually at the AC Golden Tap Room. I had to switch to my phone because obviously for a lot of reasons, you can't bring in like a GoPro or a camera to the game. So for the rest of the night tonight, I'm pretty much just gonna be filming on my phone, but still having a great time. We're gonna eat some food here, recharge, and then finish up the night with 9 innings at a Rockies game.
Hey, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding a road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money statement, I'm 10 to. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in the black.
All right, everybody, we just made it to the 9th inning here at the Rocky Stadium. Savannah and I are gonna call it a night. It was an awesome day. So after my buddy Mooney could set this whole thing up. It was an awesome evening. 999 once again, 2023. We'll see you next year.
Hey, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh. Send it through quickly. I'm making his dog like I'm in a big league.